today, guys, I'm going to be putting on my sister's makeup for my first time.
This kit.
Yes, that she got from my mom or from Christmas.
From my mom. And I do not want you to mess the kit up. First I have to do this.
Not.
So first I have to do this to get all that extra.
She's kind of a mess right now. It's making her real messy.
No, I'm not. It's cool.
Kind of.
So, Bryn, I have to talk you through it. And I'll talk you guys through it. So, this is lip gloss. This is lip gloss. This is lip gloss.
I'm going to be putting on her makeup now.
No. This is eyeshadow, the glitter. Eyeshadow. This is lip gloss. Eyeshadow. Okay? And this is eyeshadow. Billy, don't use the glitter because it won't come off, okay?
I'm not going to use the glitter.
Here's your stand. Okay, I'm going to move you guys over so you can watch her do my makeup.
Yeah. Our makeup kit will be down here. Okay. Let's put on your blush.
I'm really scared. So, yeah.
Let's put on your blush. Where's the blush?
Blush. Right.
Okay, now let me get a blush.
Hold on, let me put my hair in a ponytail holder so you don't get it, at least you don't get it on my hair, okay? And you better not make a mess of me, on me. And I'm going to keep my eyes closed for this whole thing, okay?
Okay. Go with some blush.
Hold on, Billy.
I got some blush for her.
Scared.
So
Okay,
let me
comment
put
down
it
below if you think she's going to do a good job. So,
Yeah. Because I'm definitely going to do it.
I'm going to put on a blindfold.
Yeah. She would love to put on blindfolds if I'm going to do this. I got glitter blush.
I heard that.
So you kind of heard that. But soon I'm going to be turning this much.
A whole hand.
Yeah. And you'll be seeing her blindfolds right there. I can
I got my ear.
Sorry. That's why you can't move. Okay, you can't move. I'm doing a good job, right?
To say one thing, I would like you guys to comment down below if you think I should do a video doing her makeup, which I already did it. Burnley, show them the looks.
Okay, after I put on this. Okay.
Back up. There she is. Open your eye. She's good. You're good, Burnley. You already showed him. You showed him. Burnley, shut the door.
I'll be right back, guys. Okay, people. Let's put on her lip gloss now.
I'm spying Brynley. I can see.
Okay, so what lip gloss would you like?
I want the one that's in your hand.
See, we're like pink lip gloss.
I don't have a pink one in there. It's gone.
I'm just gonna get you some lip gloss, which is what the one you shall get. Which is the one you'll love. You'll love this one.
Oh, I know. I just
Okay, she's ready for her lip gloss.
comment down below if you think she's gonna do a good job. Okay. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do a video where I put makeup on her one day. Okay, Bryn, go ahead.
little bit. Guys, am I doing a good job?
Okay, I'm not gonna look yet. I didn't look. Okay, your turn. Keep going. Guys, comment down below if you think I should do comment down below if you think I should do a video putting on her makeup. So yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No!
And she's gonna be blindfolded.
Okay, do this one.
I'm not allowed to look yet.
Okay. Nope.
Stop for a minute and hide the lip gloss. I have to do something to you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at me. Close your eyes. Look at her. Wait. Mama. I'm trying to do it. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm going to go back.
Okay. When you can take it on that way. Or do this.
All she did was my cheeks and lips. So down. So comment down below if you want her to do. You want me to do her. Do you guys want to see her do a spa for me? She's gonna be my spa. Benny, you're gonna be doing my massage. Oh, so it is.
After I do all your makeup. After I do all your makeup.
Oh my God, look at that. Wait, no. Comment down below if she's doing good.
Done. Wait, you can't look yet.
No. Okay, now it's time for her to do a spa for me. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my thing, wash, and she's gonna do my massage. And I'm gonna prop you guys up.
Okay.
Okay guys, I can't wait.
I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back.
Y'all are gonna be seeing me. She's going on to do something, I don't know what. But then
I have to go get something.
go get your massaging tools.
Oh, they're not massaging tools. I can't tell you what I'm going to go get.
Ooh.
They're not my massaging tools. They're stuck to me, my hands.
That's a good one, Susie. That's true. So yeah, guys, yeah. I'm just closing my eyes.
What?
I'm just not looking.
Okay. You might want to pick
So,
up
yeah,
your
guys.
feet so I can put
My feet are up.
things on. Those are not things I'm putting on. You. I just gotta put something on your feet.
Will it fit? Well, you're putting it on. I'm so good. You're putting it on.
I know these will fit. Come on. Fit.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. So
Okay.
really, you vlog while I put it on. Oh my God. We might have to get something else.
Nothing goes on your feet.
You have to go find another tool. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Yeah.
Going no.
So yeah, she's just gonna find something else.
No, I'm not. Okay, time for my
Okay,
massage.
I gotta put something on your feet. On your butt. But you are not gonna be able to walk.
Do this one. Wait, no, don't that. Do this. This one. Do this one.
Listen, I got it. Mama, I'm your massager.
There's something else.
Things that I use.
There's my pug right there.
Get your puggy pug.
His name is Pug.
This is the thing massagers use. This is the thing massagers use.
Oh, really? Look at my foot.
Okay, but these are things that massagers use. Hey, stop. Things that massagers use.
So yeah, guys, she's doing this.